Hey everyone. So if you didn't see the call last night in the Facebook group, then you may have missed our new update. So you now have the ability to really control what your clients or users have access to within Lead Generated. So I'm going to walk you through how you can do that in this video, right? So it's going to be hiding under the settings and users section. So there's a new option here that says user roles. Okay. So there may be a small change that's coming to these buttons here. Right now, this edit button is allowing you to rename it, which I don't really like. So I'm probably going to change that here very soon. But you can create a new role through this button. You can view the permissions of a role through here. So if I click on this view button, you can see, there we go. Okay. So the lead management module right now is off, right? So if this user logged in, they essentially would not be able to see any of these things over here on the left side. You can see that these will line up with the different modules within our system, right? So lead management is this one. We have reputation management. So you have the heat map and due diligence, which are both under research. So you can turn those off separately. The system will turn off the getting started section. So if you don't want your clients to see that for whatever reason. And then Google has the GMB management, which can be shut off right here, and Google Ads, which can be shut off here. And then we have the client questionnaires. So you can turn these on and off by module, and they'll disappear from this left navigation menu. And if a user were to try to just type in the address, then it's not going to work. They're going to get redirected to an error page. Okay, so once you turn on a module, so we'll turn on the lead management module, now you have other options that you can show and hide within the module, right? So we have, for instance, the leads is going to be the all leads. So the export leads is a sub option under the all leads, right? So, and it's, there's a few different spots where you can see this. So you can see up here in the top right, this option here will be hidden if this is set to no. Okay. So, the all calls section, right? And then we have the different spam. So you can view spam, right? And then the website forms, really important thing that if this is a client account, you probably want to shut that off. Right? You don't want your clients in there messing with website forms. Okay, so then we have the contacts module, which is going to line up right here. So each one of these has, well, not each one yet, but the lead management and the reputation management, they both have things under it. Rather than waiting until this has got every single possible permission that's going to be constantly changing as we add new stuff, we decided to release this early and give you guys access to it. So you'll notice over the coming weeks, we're going to keep on adding more and more permissions to this, to each one of these modules so that you can kind of control it more in depth. So once you create it, so let's just say, let me turn this one off, and we'll give access to leads, but not export, and we'll let them see spam. Okay. So I'm just going to come down here, and actually for this one, you actually don't need to save it. It's kind of happening in real time. All right. So once you've created your user role, what you need to do next is you need to assign it to a user. So the way that you can do that is through the same menu. So if I go to all my users, and I'm going to use this guy, Anthony Baker. Okay, so I'll click on view, and then I'm going to choose edit in the top. You can see down here that I've assigned him test user role 3. So you'll notice that some of these roles will already be here. You cannot get rid of admin, client, and manager. Those ones are default. You don't have to use them, but they're there. Okay, so and these are the ones that we've created. So I've got him assigned to test 3, and that's the one that we were just playing with there, right? So what it will look like when I log in, and so I'm going to log in as this user, and let's see what he sees with what we set for user role or test 3, I think it was, right? So for this one, test 3. So we've got the lead management. Actually, I think did it not save? Okay. Not quite sure what happened there. I'm going to turn on leads, and I am also going to turn on, what was it? We'll turn on spam. Okay, there we go. All right, so give me 1 second here, and I'm going to log in as him. So I just figured out what happened there when it looked like it didn't save. If you hit the back button, then it's going to reload the previous page. It's not reloading the page fresh, so I just had to refresh the page, and it brought back my settings that I had saved. All right, so give me 1 second, and I'm going to log in as Anthony Baker, and we can see what he's seeing. Okay, so here we are in Anthony Baker's account, and you can see he now has this dashboard. So if you give someone access to the lead management module right now, they'll be able to see the dashboard. It's only limited to the company that they're assigned to, right? And they can only add a new lead to the company that they're assigned to, okay? So we gave them access to the all leads, right? Notice the export functionality is not in this top right corner because I had that shut off. And he also has access to the spam. So just a heads up with the spam. The way the spam's working right now, it's not working on a company level, okay? So whatever spam is in here, you'll be able to see. We're going to be fixing this soon, but we wanted to get this out to you and give you guys this functionality sooner rather than later. Additionally, we don't have a way right now to shut off their ability to edit a spam filter. So you may or may not want them to do that. But again, we'll be adding more and more functionality to this over time. So I know that a lot of you guys have been waiting for this update for a long time, and as you can see, it's by no means finished. We're going to keep on adding more and more over the next couple weeks. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Thanks a lot.